issued a tornado warning for east central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles north of Lillian, or 12 miles west of Gonzales, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Baldwin and northwestern Escambia counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida. The flood warning continues.